Have you heard the news? Old, well-known 12-month AWS Free Tier is officially gone on July 15, 2025. Yeah, that's right, no more 12-month Free Tier plan. But don't worry, there's a brand new model and honestly, it's a big win for beginners. Hi, I'm Ovanes Gabriel Mikhaila. And in this quick video, we're going to break down what's new with AWS plans, what's changed, and we'll even create a fresh AWS account together to see how it all works. Let's go. Let's start by looking at the announcement. I'm just googling AWS Free Tier gone, and yep, you can already see it's making waves. Lots of news and blogs covering the update. Here is one of the AWS blogs. It says, AWS Free Tier update, new customers can get started and explore AWS with up to 200 in credits. That's the headline. So what's really happening? AWS recently updated their free tier program, and it's now split into two different plans, a free plan and a paid plan. They're also offering $100 in free credits right away when you create a new account. Now, if you're checking Reddit or forums, you'll see mixed reactions. Some folks love the guardrails and simplicity, especially for learning. Others don't love the old 12-month free tier is gone. I'll open the new AWS Free Tier page. So here it is. They've now split the experience into two plans, a free plan and a paid plan. Let me summarize it for you. Free plan lasts for up to 6 months, you get $100 right away just for signing up, plus another $100 if you complete learning tasks like launching an EC2, creating a budget, etc. It includes only selected AWS services, so you're protected from surprise charges. Once credits run out of 6 months pass, the account shuts down unless you upgrade to paid. Paid plan. This is for folks ready to build real apps or scale. Still gives you the same 200 credits, but you get access to all AWS services and can scale beyond the free limits. Once credits are used, you're billed normally. You can explore all the AWS services that are included within the plans, and if you'd like to see all of that in a categorized mode, no problem. Just open and explore what's included with the free plan and paid plan. For example, here we can see some product benefits, text-to-speech, speech-to-text. These are included within the plans. For more detailed information, refer to the table. You can see which service is included with which plan. And as mentioned in the overview page, free plan, paid plan, a short-term trial, and always free. But is it always free? I shared this on LinkedIn the other day, and someone asked, wait, if it's free, do I still need a credit card? I don't know, let's find out together, shall we? Alright, I'm searching AWS console, and the first link must be it. I'm on the AWS console now, and I'm going to sign up with a brand new email. Clicking here, new to AWS sign up. First step, set your root user email and AWS account name. Nothing new here. Verify it with the code you receive, and of course, a root user password. Alright. Retry until your passwords match, and ta-da! Here's what's new, the plan selection screen. This didn't exist before, so we've got two options, free plan and paid plan. Of course, I'm going to go with the free plan. Okay, contact information now. Here's a cool bonus. You can earn an extra $100 in AWS credits by doing beginner-friendly activities, like setting a budget to monitor cloud costs. Let's complete the form and continue. Now, we're at the credit card step. So, after all, even if you decide to go with the free plan, you need a credit card. This is just verification. AWS places a temporary $1 hold to check your card. It goes away in a few days. Even if you're on the free plan, this step is required, but again, you won't be charged unless you switch to paid. Add your card information and let's continue. So, before we can use our AWS account, we must verify our phone number, submit the form, pass the CAPTCHA verification, fill in the verification code, and continue to the next step. Alright, now what's happening? I'm not eligible for the free plan? Wait, what? Apparently, if you previously had an AWS account and you try to create a new one and get your $100 benefit, nah, not gonna work out. You're going to automatically be upgraded to a paid plan, which means no credit, a regular AWS account. For now, let's agree and continue. Select the basic support free plan and create the account. But we're not here for this, right? So let me ask my friend who never had an AWS account to join our cloud journey and get back to the plan selection window. Sorry for repetition, the next steps are the same. So, verifications, and ta-da! This is the correct congratulations page that should have appeared in front of us before. Let's go to the AWS Management Console. Close the instructions and open the right corner section and go to Billing and Cost Management. From the left bar, let's navigate to the credit section. And voila! $100 credits right in your account. And as simple as it is, go and set your budget to earn more $100 credit to your account. If this was helpful, drop a like and let me know what you want to see next. Maybe you're struggling with the credits earning part, so let me know, I'll jump and try to help you. Well, thank you so much for spending time with me. I know you enjoyed it, because I know I did. Until next time.